in here and see what we got, because we may have to do some assembly. Let's go ahead and open her up. All right, we got some instructions, so we'll probably need to read those. And then we've got all of our stuff here. Looks like a bunch of different things that we're gonna need to put this together. This looks like the handle for the hose. Here comes the other part of it. Yeah. This looks like our cord. If I can get that out of there. Oh, I see. So it's all together. So we just got to pull it out. Okay, that's not going to work. There we go. There we go. Look at it. So simple, just on and off. And yeah, this is our hose to connect it. So that's basically everything that was in that box. There it is, Ryobi 1900 PSI. And now we just got to hook it all together. So check it out. You do have a circuit breaker on here, okay? And this just plugs in. It doesn't look like it's grounded, but it does have a breaker on it, which is good. And we can test it. Over here, I believe, is where we're going to hook our water supply. But here is where our thing goes. Oh my God, this is so ridiculous. I'm gonna need to get some pliers to get that off. Got some needle nose, and I think I might be able to just pull it off. Yeah, that worked a lot better. All right, so this is where I do believe we're gonna hook our thingamabob on. All right, and then over here, you can put soap in here, and here's where you hook your hose. That's where you hook your hose, right there. So this is the first thing we're gonna do. So we're just gonna connect these together. This goes in here like this. See that? You can see that there's like an area where these two little things slide in, and then I think we can turn it. But it's not. Oh, there we go. I got it. So I had to smack it in there pretty good, but I finally got it on there. So that's good, right? Here we go. That's working. And I do believe this is our pressure hose here. It's going to go in like that, and then it's right on there. And I believe you can turn it, and it changes how much is going to squirt out of there. So that's that. Set that right there. Okay, we're doing pretty good so far, right? Okay, so next we've got to unravel this. But both of these are basically the same. You follow me? So you just got to get them in. I'm gonna put this one on first. Oh, you gotta kind of give it a push. Then you can twist it on. Just like that. Okay, that's on, right? That's ready to go. Now, this side's gonna go into the machine itself. So I gotta flip the machine over, and we're gonna go right here, on here. It follows me? Right here. So this part here is going right into here. So this will be like that. Give it a push, and then a twist. Got to get it on tight, too. It follows me? All right, so that's good right there. That's ready to go. Okay, so we're looking pretty good now. We got everything set up. This does set down like this, and I believe this comes up like that. You follow me? Let me show you. So this comes all the way up. Press this. Goes down, press it this way. And so now you can roll it. You see that? Kind of rolls. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? I think that's gonna work. All right, that's the setup. Now we just gotta try using it. See how it works. We're gonna plug it in somewhere and make sure we don't get water on our plug. So I'm probably gonna plug it in over there. And the cord looks pretty long, so I think we're good. Let me go ahead and grab this. And we'll pull it down. See how long it is. And you can see it's a good, they give you a lot of cord. A lot of cord here. It's a little tangled, but should be all right. Yeah, I think this is gonna fit. Look, it makes it all the way across. You see? So we can do the we can plug this in the middle there, and we'll be able to do the whole kit and caboodle. We'll just plug it in there. Hopefully we can plug it in there. Problem is that these, it's a pain in the ass. These, oh here, this one bends out. So I think that'll work. So I think I can get it right in there. Let's see. Yeah. Push it in. All right, so now we can test it. You know, see if it works. But that's it right there. We got a green light. So I'm gonna unplug it for right now. All right, so I need to hook the hose up to it. All right, so to get this on, you gotta twist it the opposite direction. You see that? So I've got to go counterclockwise. Usually it's righty-tighty, but with these things, it's the opposite. So we're going to do a test ride on this. So now we've got that connected. We've got everything on here. You know, we've got our hose and everything. And so we're going to turn the water on. And the first thing usually you want to do is check and make sure you've got flow. So what you do is you depress your handle and then see if anything comes out. There it is. So that's good. That means we've got water. That's working great. Now I've got to plug it in. And then we're just going to hit the off button right now. We'll plug it in. We'll see how it works. Hang on. Here we go. Plug it in. Oh look, this one up top is screwing me up. All right, so let's plug it in. I want to get it all the way in there. All right, I think we're good. So now let's go try it, see what we think. Just gotta turn it on, start squirting. You know what I mean, jelly beans? The first thing I've gotta do is hit the on button. Apparently that's it. Okay, we're on. Now let's see how we do on here. Ready? That looks pretty good, right? We're gonna try it over here and see how it works. I'm gonna try to clean this little spot right here. You guys see that? Here we go. It's working pretty good, right? Now I think I can change this, twist it a little bit and make it, it's got numbers on it. Let's see how it goes. That worked pretty good. I think this is going to work great. So yeah, we definitely clean that up. And electric. Don't have to put gas in it. And it's compact, easy to use. Highly recommend, you guys. Highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and turn it off for now. And then I'm just going to purge this. And then turn off the water. And purge her out. And then when we're ready to go, we'll do it inside. Yeah, for sure. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on the products by Ryobi. They're fantastic, I gotta say.